Microsoft Word Chapter 7, Project 3. Inserting and recalculating formulas. Open TSP Sales Table and then save it with 7-TSP Sales Table. For those of you who know how to use Excel, just take a deep breath. Okay, Word can do calculations, but that's not what it's meant for. So the way we do calculations in here will drive you a little crazy if you know Excel, but that's okay. Just, learn how to do it in Word, right? All right, step number 2. Insert a formula in the table by completing the following steps. Click in cell B9. Cell B9 is the empty cell immediately below the cell containing the amount $294,653. Okay, this is B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not what it says in your textbook. That is not the correct number, okay? So just know this is how it works. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? B, click the Table Tools Layout tab. C, click the Formula button in the Data group. D, at the Formula dialog box, make sure equals sum above. See, it says equals sum, open parentheses, above, close parentheses, is there. Okay? E, click the Number Format option box and select the very first selection. It's right there. Then click OK. G, in the table, type a $sign before the number you just inserted. Again, I know for those of you who know Excel, you're tearing your hair out, but just go. Just go. All right, so we did that. Number 3, complete steps similar to those in steps 2C through 2G to insert a formula in cell C9. Okay, so basically we want another total right here. And to get that total, we go to our Table Tools Layout tab. In our Data group, we go to Formula. It should say sum above. We have to fix our number format. We just select the first one. And then we have to put a $sign in next to that formula that we just put in. Okay? Now, step number 4. Insert a formula that calculates the average of amounts by completing the following steps. Click in cell B10. So it says average right here. Click right here. This is B10. All right, we're going to go back to our formula, but we don't want this formula, do we? So what are we going to do? We're going to back it right on out. Go ahead and delete this, everything except for the equal sign. The equal sign has to stay. Okay? All right. D, with the insertion point, position immediately to the right of the equal sign, click the Paste Function option box. See where it says Paste Function? Hit this down pointing arrow and we're going to select Average. So now your formula bar should read equals average, open parent, close parent, and your insertion point is between those open and close parentheses. And you need to type, and you don't have to use capital letters in a formula, it doesn't matter. B2 colon B8. B2 colon B8. The colon is read as through. So it says equals the average of B2 through B8. Okay? Do your number format really quick. First one again. Okay? Now click OK. And don't forget to put in a $sign. Okay? Now you get to pop right over to this average right here and try that again. All right, so we need to put in an average. So the first thing we do is we go to Table Tools Table Tools Layout tab. Then we go to our Data group. Then we go to Formula. We don't want to sum above, so we're going to back everything out, but you must leave the equal sign. We're going to go to Paste Function. We're going to do an average, and it's the average of C2 through C8. So it's C2 colon C8, and you always stop and you check and you make sure that says equals average open paren C2 colon C8 closed paren. Our number format is that very first one. And we click OK. And we have to put in our $sign, right? All right, one more row to go. So now click down here for top sales. Okay? Step number 6. Insert a formula that calculates the maximum number by completing the following steps. Click in cell B11. That's where we are, right here where it says top sales. B. Click the formula button in the data group. Get rid of the sum above. Make sure you leave your equal sign. If you don't, it's really hard. Type one in. We're going to go to paste function. And you're going to have to scroll down there in alphabetical order. And you want to see the word max. Okay? And we want the max of B2 through B8. Okay? Every single time, always go back and check and make sure. And then you know we have to do the number format. And then we have to put in the $sign. Okay, you get a chance to try it again. Let's do a max right here. Okay, so we're going to go Table Tools, Layout, Data Group, Formula. Get rid of that formula that's in there except for the equal sign, and if you're back over the equal sign, type a new one in. We go to Paste Functions. We scroll down there in alphabetical order. We get max. Okay, but this time we are in C, right? So we want the max of C2, right? Through C8. So just type it in, C2 through C8. Always go back and check. You want to find your errors now, not later. And our number format has to be set every single time, right? Go ahead and hit OK. And put in your $sign. There we go. All right, you've done a lot of work. I would hit save right now. Now, step 8 says save and print, but you know we're not going to print. Step 9, change the amount in cell B2, which is right here, from 5,433 to 41 to 765,700. Okay, big change. So let's get this in here. So we want 765, 700. Notice that nothing down here changed. Everybody who has had an Excel class is losing their mind. No. In Word, nothing updates automatically, and that's a really important thing for you to know. When you calculate in Word and you alter any calculations, you must hand physically update it, okay? Because if not, you're putting out bad data. Step number 10, recalculate all the formulas in the table by completing the following steps. Make sure the Table Tools Layout tab is active, and then click the Select button. Okay, we're going to select our by just going like this, okay? Select the whole table. That's what it's telling you to do. Now, all you have to do, the Update key is F9. Press your F9 key, and that updates all of your formulas, okay? And it changes all of the totals. Okay, if you're not sure it happened, you can hit undo. Did you see all the numbers? And now hit F9 again and watch them. And it recalculates to allow for that change we put in. All right, all you have to do is save and print, and you're ready to move on.